Hi YouTube, it's Valerie. Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, well, I kind of feel the same way. It's been quite a while since I've made any videos, so we're both on the same page. If you want to subscribe to my channel, feel free to do so. Just hit that button. If you like the content, go ahead and give it a thumbs up as well. Anyway, clearly it's been a while. I'm just gonna I need to put this water down. One thing I did want to kind of unbox for you, I actually just got it in the mail today. I didn't even know it was gonna be here today. It was on my counter, like, there. Scentbox. Scentbox, I think has been on YouTube for quite a while. I think this is something that is definitely not new. I, for whatever reason, just discovered it. And if you are new to the Scentbox thing, I'll leave a link below. You can hit whatever, I think there's like a referral code to get some money off, I don't know, whatever. But anyway, I'm gonna show you what I got. I recently, in my resurgence back into the world of beauty, I actually just got really, really obsessed with perfume and cologne and anything that smells better than the laundry detergent that I'm using. And one of those, I'm gonna actually have a huge unboxing soon, is Jo Malone. Kind of went a little crazy with a Jo Malone haul. I'm still having things shipped in to me, so it's gonna be a minute, but I will show you what I got when it comes in. Anyway, as an alternative to the Jo Malone splurge-worthy kind of situation that happened, I did, again, find this. So this is a more affordable alternative if you don't want to drop $70 for one tiny little bottle of cologne 5 or 6 times. You know what I mean? You can try it on a little, this is cute. What did I even get? I don't think I ordered that one. Okay, you know what, F that. I'm just gonna I'm not even gonna read. I never read them anyway, like today, this is no different. So I got this. This is the little Scentbox box. And again, I don't know if this is like the norm. I don't know if this is like what it's supposed to look like, but how cute. It's a little black matte box with like a little, you know, shiny words. Okay. Hold on. What? They give you free exchanges? I just got a Scentbird in the mail a couple days ago and it was disgusting. I was not a fan of that smell. And I wished I could have exchanged it, but to my knowledge, you can't actually exchange that. So, whatever. These are gorgeous. This is literally up my alley. Everything about this is everything that I want in anything. I mean, literally anything. Okay, also really quick, I want to tell you guys, I didn't tell you this, so sorry, hold on. This little twofer thing that I got, you can elect to do 1 bottle of standard perfume, or you can elect to do 2 bottles of standard perfume, or you can step both of those up and do like a traditional, like a standard perfume selection, or a luxury brand, which is what I did, because I'm so done with Calvin Klein. Can we just? Okay, I'm back to the regularly scheduled program here. Let's talk about what I got. It is like a metal rose gold. I've got a little bit of glue action happening on the atomizer, which I am really not a fan of. I wish you could, anyway, whatever. Outside of that, this is Collection Extraordinaire California Reverie. What I'm gonna do is pop a picture into the side so you can see what it is that I'm talking about, because just simply saying a name, you know, who is to say spray it on this, because I just put on my Jo Malone perfume right before this video, because I was like, I just need to like be in the moment. Like I need to smell like I'm in the moment, which in this moment is Osmanthus Blossom from Jo Malone, but I digress. So this is the California Reverie. I'm just gonna, I hope I like this because I just spread a lot of that. Oh, well this is really not what I thought it would be like. I want to just say, this to me smells like Sunday school if you are the Sunday school teacher and not the child. This is very Sunday school. This is a proper kind of conservative scent. I feel like this is not, also it's kind of like a it's almost like it's like a fresh linen. It's very weird because it was supposed to be citrusy. Everything, I've been all up in the citrus world lately. This one had top notes of like bergamot and some other shenanigans in there. I'm smelling like a slight detection of citrus, but mostly I'm smelling Sunday school mom who needs to go to the library to pick up some books on how to bake bread with limited supplies and maybe drives a Honda Odyssey and clean laundry. I don't know if I like this. I don't know. Well, I'm gonna move on because I'm underwhelmed with this one. Maybe I'll exchange that one and get the other one. This is the one I'm really excited about, so like legitimately, I can't get it out. I really truly hope that this is what I thought it would be because I almost bought the whole bottle and then I discovered Scentbox. Okay, this is the big mamma jamma. This is called Blue Mediterraneo. Merto di Panaria. This is Acqua di Parma. I don't know if I said that right. It's not Acqua di Gio, which is like really confusing because if you put them, they sound like the same thing and they're clearly not. Anyway, I'm talking way too much today. I'm just really excited to be back, can you tell? I'm gonna spray it on this one. Please, Jesus, be good. Please, Lord. Oh. How do you even explain this one? I feel like, how do you even... I think I like this one more. I am so damn glad that I did not drop $300 on a bottle of this though. Let me just be real. It smells, it does have a smell of like aquatic life. You know, not like a dolphin, but like being on a coast somewhere, maybe in Greece or something. It does have a coastal scent to it, for sure. It's like, so this one was supposed to be like on the coast with citrus trees, right? So I was like, oh my god, that's so like lively and wonderful. Maybe also like part of my problem is that I am so freaking obsessed with Jo Malone that I don't know if any other cologne or perfume situation will ever really add up the same way that Jo Malone was just kind of has a real high standard for me right now. But that's really why I picked this one, is because I thought that this would be in the same kind of like house-ish situation. But what I'm gonna do though, I think, is I'm gonna hold on to this one. I feel like my mother would really love this one. Again, I will throw all of this stuff in the little drop box, in the little comment section, whatever the hell you call that. Literally, it's been 2.5 years, guys. Be nice to me, please. Let me know what you guys are picking from Scentbox. If you have like a smell that you know is like super awesome and it's not very like, you know, elderly smelling, like for elderly, no offense, elderly-ish women. There's like a way that like perfume really kind of carries you through your life. You have like a young, racy kind of scent, and then like a more sophisticated, younger, older, youthish situation, and then you have like your mom smells, and then eventually you're in your elder stages and you're wearing this California Reverie stuff, and then, you know, like what's the point? Thanks guys for watching this. Let me know what you're getting, what I should pick up if you have any ideas, and then I will gladly do that. Well, this has been so fun. I'll see you later.